Paro Yamana dead, you know. Yabi before the door now who said, no quasemini, Paro yon coso a woman. Now, ne bones so dene, ne board dene, ne board dene, ne board dene. I feel so a ye slow pa, ever quack through barometer or your monso, candia faho, name comma, a PM or Fifi quite a general secretary, the ma the NDC. Also, Kasa say NDC for cutting out the desperation for power. Then as for Ibiram, if you could do home combo. Now, I said your home city and some Dawson. But first of all, today is a beautiful day for a beautiful woman who has, in fact, made herself proud, made her family proud, made the family of Sompa proud, made Ghanaians and women proud. And of course, true or no, the endeavors wasasi so no changes a hodo any who wasasi so a ekoso. And I'm talking about Ohini ni Adazwa, and then awoda. Mama, woman king, my lady, wherever you find yourself this morning, the only prayer I hold for you, they say, may the good Lord continue to throw light on your paths. And oma ehai nenkania noso wo wanamuntu ahodo awutu eso baby abetu na sibia baby abefa bia no yankopon ema ehan ni wanim unhu wanim ma esum enru da. That's my prayer this morning. So because when there's light on you, not light lead you on so all of the time ubi hunu dia wo ye na wa ye de ye nso na fe nso and kan ko impumtuo kesi yem pega and monyam hye adansidie and so it me akoso. So happy birthday woman king Henini Adazwa. Continue to be you. Continue to live well before you leave. Lot of words in the media describe who you are. But I don't pay any tear for some power family nina. One more through you, one more anya life-changing stories. One more through you, one more solutions to one more cases. One more through you. Oma life for nonso apeja. Oma through you, oma motivate you omo. Oma through you, oma jai abone for semnin sem hunu omudi. Oma through you. Ama sha se da suban pa adino. Omo nya ka se awoda pan confirm out. Live well, live well, live well before you leave. Happy birthday Ohenini Adazwa. On that note, my young woman, I feel young Konko PMO, our krata, free the presidency, woman communication bureau, ne Babeka Yansa, on the president in the draft to the Republic of Belarus. Me and Robin have krata and some woman dear, or Kwakoyo or Hanamo Kwakotu president. But if you have the letter, put it on the screen. Now, minimum T4, you go through Nafi, I said, yes, it here. Also, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, will begin a state visit to the Republic of Belarus today, Friday, 5th of June 2026. The visit is at the invitation of His Excellency Ali Kando. Ali Kando Grigorievich Lushenko, President of the Republic of Belarus. The visit aims to strengthen diplomatic ties between Ghana and Belarus. It will also explore new frontiers in economic, agriculture, and technical cooperation. Upon arrival in Minsk, President Mahama will lay a wreath at the Victory Monument. This gesture honors Soviet army soldiers and Belarusian partisans who showed immense bravery during World War II. A central highlight will be a high-level meeting between the two heads of state. President Mahama and President Lushenko will hold private bilateral talks. This will be followed by expanded diplomatic session with ministers and senior officials from both countries. The discussions will focus on strategic partnership in agriculture, education, and commerce. In line with President Mahama's industrialization and food security agenda, he will travel to Brest, one of Belarus' most historic cities. There, he will tour one of the region's largest processors of milk, cheese, and baby products. This visit is expected to facilitate knowledge sharing and potential partnership in agro-processing. While in Brest, President Mahama will also visit the Brest Hero Fortress Memorial Complex, where he will pay respect as the site of the 1941 Soviet defense against Nazi forces. The itinerary includes a visit to Belovskaya Pushka National Park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Europe's last remaining primeval forest. This visit underscores the two countries' commitment to environmental conservation. The state visit will include the signing of at least 4 landmark bilateral agreements. These agreements are designed to foster mutual growth and institutional collaboration between Ghana and Belarus. President Mahama is expected to depart Belarus and return to Accra on Tuesday, 9th June 2026. Signed, Felix Kwame Agyarko, spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. And letter no more, the Osiki to tell Ghanaians, and say President John Dramani Mahama, Ebeko Akopie mo Belarus, nothing, Kitawudie, Nkomodidie, Akoso, Ewa, Eya Honum, na Bako will be on agriculture, education, and commerce. And to Kwakodidi Nkomo, Lafi Yahweh, the Ebetumia cost between these two countries. Na empumtu ne partnership no mo pen betumi akoso na fi Ghana so atumi agina ne nan so na countries mienu yi nyina nso no atumi anyamfaso kese e dia free wo mo emienu nyina enchen ho. So President Mahama no Mr. President, we wish you safe trip to Belarus. But then me concern bako ma monitor Mrofo Bennett USA, Bennett UK, Bennett Mrofo ahodo no say wo mu tutu kwan a se bia wo na wo monitor ya me ma monitor so wo etutu kwan a ya wo ta de business partners pa de keka wo ho e na de ko akwantu no ti se bia okopie mu ba bia mo de business partners se koba mines a business partners our mines mu no mo di akire energy o mo di akire kopie mu agriculture na sefo business partners no mo di kopie mu but there e come here say president to coin bia all you see is politicians. Yes, and in can say wrong. Be a ministers and sefo. But in KBI, the minister of agri, and as a minister of trade, and as a minister of so and so econo. Nanka, the business partners are monso ewa Ghana Hanoma. Wama build up where Jina and so their account so that they can go there to connect, begin the connection, begin the links. Our honum, our politicians, you moko we are so. About your politics, na president, Kohana president, you say, and we couldn't come away. At the end of the day, you know, the very effect now, I was here after the visit, you know, we say, you interfere, na kwako dadin, Yakoho do bilateral talks on ABCD. But you know, you say that bilateral talks on the effect, our mind also. Say the agriculture sector, energy sector. Sectors are who we don't see because we don't travel with business partners, we travel with politicians alone. And when these politicians go all they come to do is politics. But at the end of the day, the fruits of the anamona yet we don't see them. Why? We don't see them. Why? Is it not because we don't involve these business partners, individual partners now? What build you when it comes to business, when it comes to agriculture, you know how no ne president then when they go there, the business partners know they are into agriculture or some of the sectors in India. President visit they can connect themselves and learn from them. Because these business partners, linkage, connections, lasting forever. Why they last forever? Because the president, the minister say, free a bangwan also say, it will be hard for the NPP or any other political party to continue same. The Obeka say NDC the two sana mono, NDC the this connection and linkage na abantu on twice because work twice wa credits. Acknowledgement, recognition be about the NDC government into one to us. I'm raising a concern this morning and I'm raising a debate that we have to take it on. Now for you for new common say a benya sounds and say be exist going forward. We cannot continue to do politics with everything and all of the things we are doing. Because most of the times the yada na muntuona political parties here to know. Yana sebi pass to mu pa nyansa wum. But after their exit, then we politicize everything near the politics. It is very bad. It's my concern I'm raising this morning. Say, can you beat me and Yanamon two the business partners after the exit of any political party, any political administration, the connection and the link between these business partners will continue to exist. Now, development need the entire yetu and among call honomono yet to me and Sompa so rather than going always with ministers, party faithfuls and cabinet ministers to me that's the concern I'm raising this morning. That's the concern I'm raising this morning. We are Centroni now be what's your concern? Let's begin to raise some of these things, some of these issues. Now, any talk of the day, let's raise such agendas for these politicians to listen, for them to see, say, these are the concerns of Ghanaians and these are some of the things Ghanaians need. Because we voted for them, we gave them power. They need to do what we need for us. I think I was here, no, not it me, a buana, and pumtu, ahodwa, ye peno, et to me, akoso. And yes, sir. Because I am MPP and this in some say now why not take answer. Now ye judge and near my it was a surprise. We was a buying the school down be baby 1 year no free so. A buying for buy was what twice so. Nothing school no yet to me a comuna for ye ditch threat at the no. Nay Jan baby. A buying bit to me as hospitals I say. Now 1 year obey free so a buying for buy was what twice no. No a jano. We have classical and visible examples are there anymore. You bet me appointed to. You bet me appointed to hospitals. I hold one can senkane ya be hospitals now, and we will not be conversing about comfort not teaching hospital and ne one de krataba bontinze one emergency unit 24 hours they cannot engine pa bi mo hodom. Because our hospitals you are can be assured any pan be a mugu confanocha my why man in ke ebi wo ho say we are afari need the kaka in ke bi wo ho it in ka confanoche enyama. But because of politics we don't want to continue legacy, we don't want to continue policies ahodwa a year of national interest, national importance. We don't do that. It's very worrying. It's very worrying. Your concern are Ghana for you know what say ye crazy near my politicians here at here. Government or governance is continuous. And it is stated in our constitution. Well, baby also about to us. But here we have a Biamba project no ajana can rem causing financial loss to the state. Forgetting said the state funded such product. Until the state needs to finish it. Because state now finish here, sikana kwa kamuno, ewuremono, akaho hodum, akaho. You get it? We need to revisit and near Bakumi and be near who say we have a country to build. We have generations to come out. Ombabe boy edin say yam penso. We near yeah. This said ye ne Kwame Nkrumah penso ye bo kutua champo mo ye kikan nye ababe history na nra ye di ho nkomo ku na course wo honom no ye didi oni nyina ho nkomo he mfaso e wo so no sa na generations to come so babe di ye ho nkomo say our generation na ya babe ye generation na ye sha de ase ya ye nwie na ya jani nwram na ya hye o man sika na babe tete na pro enso o babe to asokra na ye de gisa wasan start for and ye generation as ye ya sha de ase na anwi na ye jani nwram a de obesan ba na babe hye the same thing, the same project nso ase wo baby for na ba ko na kan nwram na hye na sika no na ekọ ya mfa nya de papa bi amana mfa so amfa maye. Let's rethink as a country. Yam to also Sam George so enra odin komo ba kumieno bi, and I don't know of if you have that video. Say they say yeah the neoma bini policies be beba. Say ebia we o person ko he porn. Min chire mu but porn. Sa sexy movies no bi. pornographic yinibi so person here I was hold be a license and answer card be ansana yetumi am akwan just to verify to see and know say we are above 18 we penimu na wonya akwara ansana watumi akwa say aniama no enti omo de saa aniama no e ba be gu akwamu se be ya na ye mofra ne ye nkwada say because of say more access to smartphones. And nkwadaa bi phones o mu use no me come kire say speed no wosoro na ye kama champion for bebre de nti tata obi hu say no akopie site no obi hu say na fei eniema nsem fata na nkwadaa ni kwa kopie so akwa ye be ma ne oba na bi omo ye yes aniema niema wi wo ho mpamu agudie na akwada na akwa nti adechie bi eda bi ubehu se oba no dasu ne ban bi adi wunhu ba bi wakwa kosua de afiri nwanwa kwan akwada no efa su hunu sa because Ghana ne ye were 13 14 15 16 below 18 ebi are into such act and it baffles you to know how they got to know all of these things at this very early age.
The danger that we face, Your Excellencies, it's important that we understand the danger that we face with pornography. And I keep saying that, look, we don't need to rewrite the script. Today in the United Kingdom, for you to access a pornographic website, you need to put your driver's license for them to be able to determine that you are 18 years. Ask yourself why they are doing that. Because they've seen the danger and the damage that pornography and over-sexualization have done to a generation of young UK citizens. And that's why for us, we believe that in Ghana here, and we're working with going to cabinet on that, to make sure that before you access any X-rated site, you must put either your driver's license or your national ID card, so that we know who you are and who is going to that site, to prevent children from being exposed to such content. This is the real threat. Because when a child is over-sexualized at an early age, it affects their development, it affects their thinking, it affects even their morality and their values and their standards. And the only way to break a people is to go after the children. Because when the children are destroyed and damaged, that culture, that culturalization gets damaged. The fight against Africa is not against those of us sitting in this room. We are a lost case. The fight is against our children. And that's why when myself and my colleagues in Ghana introduced the Family Values Bill, one of our key arguments has been that we're fighting for the innocence of Ghanaian children, because our children must be protected and safe. We were protected by our parents in an African family setting. We must do same for our children and grandchildren.
Okay, so we Sam George and Otis or this answer and Okasaye award the 4th African Interparliamentary Conference. And our this answer say what they are fighting for now is not for themselves, but for the next generation. They are protecting the next generation. And I side with him fully. I side with him because the extent baby as they say young quadano soon buying any bi omo ye no anu den pa which say young quadani bi wotumi so omo say ama wu baby omo asua de afiri obekom nso no ma me ne wo papa nso de chese wo mo nte sa o wo mo nte sa ba ku sei enim kura and wunim se quadani bi wunim efie no wo fo kura nyinni ennim se wo munim saade ne yo asem we a mekan nipa dodo na abedi adanse se nkoda ne bi wo ho efie se wo kọ boso kura se wo ya akoda bone ana se wo mpena ne maame ne papa ne wo beko twese wan we yi antokọ mo beko saada no nya ntokwa ketwa because akoda no enna saa suban na di wo fie akoda no enye saa neema no bi wo fie baso pia bontia sakoda ni pia bontia ye nemo omo ye no enemo omo ye wa bontin no enemo omo ye wa bontin no ano odin Anodin. Anodin, Papa. So, I also need and some Sam George Eddie Tuja. Now, Sam George Koya ran so with Incomo, Eddie and somebody Tuja the far a speaker near appeal now or yes, and reconsider a bill now you pass here. Parliament House LGBTQ plus. I know now Sam George actually say Ghana's Parliament House, is a house of rules, not a house of appeals. Not a house of appeals. And so the two jaw honum and in 72 jati. My yenti and some of the two jaw.
The Speaker has made an appeal. I've read the standing order since I saw the appeal. There's nothing in our standing orders for a rescission. When Parliament passes a bill, Parliament is functus officio. I think that the only role that Parliament has today is to transmit the bill to the President. When it goes to the President has indicated that he will want to have scrutiny of the bill. The Constitution spells out the steps the President can take to scrutinize the bill. He has a number of days after it's been transmitted to him to report back to the House and say, I have no objection, I'm signing it, I'm assenting to it. If he has an issue, he can write back to us and say, I have an issue with this provision, that provision. Parliament should reconsider it with his recommendations. He can't just give issues. He must make recommendations through his Attorney General. Or he can refer it to the Council of State for advice and notify Parliament that I've sent it to the Council of State. There's a number of days for all of this. I think the longest is the Council of State one, which takes 30 days for them to come back to him. If he has an objection, he has 14 days to indicate so. If he has no objection, 7 days to indicate so. I think that that's where we are. Parliament should transmit the bill, warts and all, irrespective of whatever drama may have conspired. Parliament has done its job, because the act of a rescission of a passage of a bill is alien to our standing orders. Everything that we do in this House, Parliament is a house of rules. If it was, respectfully to Mr. Speaker, it's not a house of appeals, it's a house of rules. And so if there's no rule in the rule book that gives us room to do what he wants to do, I'm saying that there's still a room in there. The presidency can come back to us and say, Parliament, reconsider 1, 2, 3, and we'll have that debate on the floor and then send it back. And the
allows for a motion to call for a rescission of a decision of the House.
No, not after a bill has been passed.
Passage of the bill is a decision of the House.
Okay, we some George, Samuel Nati George, Ningo Pram member of Parliament. Minister of Communications and Technology, and also attending Cowardin some Bakumino editor on that appeal. Now, Fiti and Rat Nano and Komoyi Kosunina, not major Nioma Bakumi, Nubi and Hosa, and Memauti, I say, my stance and my opinion on that. Say, by this time, Yankee can say after see a passive bill, no, some rainy Parliament to be drawing and to be talking about bill na ya pass it na speaker and so by make appeal say ni see it here because the bill a bill Ghana fo nyina ye hyase sun ye na nyene Ghana fo nyina ye cast ye pe nti e was by this time Parliament any stakeholders avudo nyina ehia no consensus building e was say one building nkoma wie ansakra na nka bill ya pass it ansakra na bill ya pass it. But then we have the speaker himself, Speaker of Ghana's House, himself making appeals. So my question and I'm is it the case say Speaker and ya de be no? Though yes Speaker of the House and ya de be no ya onim even at the absence ya onte. Say be a way na bekoso wo Ghana's Parliament and nunti okay my go through side had me will appeal be my suggestion be my main friend speaker obetinam na me na kasa my main friend majority minority leader na me ni omon kasa so that they can consider enema ba kumienu bi ana. You get my point, so that they can consider enema ba kumienu bi ana. But now to me, but I'm in someone say now the appeal now speaking making. To me, he can only make this appeal to the president because president then the last year be sent the signature to it, and the constitution around days our president be sent, and if the president who has or have disagreement to the bill now ya transmitted their brain obe notify parliament say ABC the monya sa correction so sa economy na mihunu say speaker bagman wo akwenya say maybe or link be or some path be room be to reach the president obetumi afa so na wo dey appeal na afa so dey akwa president na say top president 3 months president and so notify parliament, then we can make those changes. Either than that penkoma yatete dey free one more members of parliament, the more lawyers, the current members of parliament there, you have no room to do that again. So the only room you have to do and they say be out of president so be make you appeal there man. The speaker say who take me out paya me can be an hour during maso but make sure so say make those appeal to the president. Not president and so let parliament okay we are more bano. I think some money changes ABCD na MY. But still my worry has to do with why idea of national consent. National consent. Mo opposition mo jitu mo ba ben mo sim beja to maye mo so mo wa ben mo na mo se ehu hia mo be pass cc mo so afi mo ba opposition akwakoye se kasa bibiri na stella da so enam ho na munya hu de mo ye mu hu ana mo amutu eno ne me worry ne me difficulty to comprehend what the parliamentarians na the legislatures no de omo ye no I don't need me difficulty. Yeah, mean to mean tiasi wo. I me dene papa mean to mean tiasi. Mean to mean tiasi. And I'm be passing no, we refi CSOs, ne religious bodies, ne ye penny for who do a concerns. And think before the passage, you know. Nyamon kwana mokwa ko pass you will consult these penny for CSOs no ne a soft one penny for say the final bill now ye the parliament now see yakwa passing so go through near who na mpedifo so be almost go through na woman who say let's make changes to ABCD who we so the heads na key figure heads now woman here say woman so woman shemu woman so woman input are needful are necessary are very important you know woman so hwemu ansakra na mode akọ and because you are just parliament in no one say mo ma rush na mode akọ confirm na akọ pass. Because I was thinking saying we a national bill, though a private member bill or more copy, but now me who say Ghana phone na jitu says a bill with the young concoy. Nanka, we will have all Ghanaians rallying behind this bill by way of scrutinizing the bill properly. Nanki atumye jina ne nanso ne ya hu say ya fine bill ya de parliament na fi ya kwa pass. But I come here and say, "Ya pass here, you know." I want some answer about a piece or an answer for. Young fan also entry or honum. Now the General Secretary the Madi and this Fifi Fiave Quete. Audience be Eddie Ababe Tuja or say, and this is for uncutting all desperation for power. Yes, or by as Abios, and yet they are as a president of the Republic. John Dramani Mahama, ne time so I want to mean Cobium. I want to mean Major say Anthony Swababium Tia was a NDC for every yeet ni pafofro. But there's one thing I like about the NDC. I was everything now no Harry na Idrisuni as he didn't get young como be a chassis ye we kuka ye baby beno. On sa kwakoda. I just so sa kwakoda. But senka MPP mo bisa ho question we nka baby ye drone nka didi atemwa asoa ma binom na bi profile e bi niemo mo ye atwam di aba no Kenya asem ketwa. But I'm still encouraging the NDC say you can do best. Akwenya na ba beto ni mo prepare. You should learn from your past na vi mo ntutu ni omaye. Was yatiti dian hodwa unity babe prebi. Let's see say ampa you are grown ups. Let's see say ampa you are contesting ideas. Let's see say ampa dibre na babe toho. Enyan tokwa na moko. And until be a ready obetumi aye. But no kwasem ni say me kanama kare dey no kwasem ni say any sifo adi me interest over. And I have one particular person I may think our unity of many budget. But me who's our unity. But me tas any padachi. Or more matty to Mudinano. To me, dear, well, Ubia, and then in Tias, any Ubia and any paupe. But to me, dear, any pano. And I know me so a casaka cra. Na nipanos so a casana uti now you see say yes. Okasa ye. Na ne human relations so ye pa. Or relate well. Sani pano. Or relate well. He doesn't just relate to. He doesn't just relate with human being and I say nipao. But he relates well. He relates well. Sani pano. And me one pie is unity. So that I'll throw my full support behind the person. Me just will be unity. It was a Obano church and say Munwo Kasa. Masa, only why better the all can I say? Now, I give you room for if you have any question, crowd. What to me? A question near about community. That's who he is. Kasa, it touch him up. Or Kasa, with him say yes. Or Kasa. Or church and near Mamuso, Nyabo Trechemu ye palma, or Tiasia. Shania Mamma Tiasia. But that's just by the way, Tiavano and found Tone Chain. Nafi, young come lassa, ye take Nafi, Nana Kwame Usun Contabi said, Yatnasia Macon, Wakomana Chiamana Quaba, Nafi Yadin Como. Afro Barometer Survey. I reveal said many Africans see justice system as unequal, costly, and slow. Say, a bapa say justice say asem akwakupi mu court mene Kwame Kontabi say anya asem yakupi mu court pa say be hunu say palparo your air koso. Say paraparo yo koso pa ne be ka say asem no we e da hayem fant oh yes wu da na ebia ye ka say okay we dey to say ye because yes wu da na ne bo nso san ye din so pe justice yes wu pe justice work Africa the continent yi so a yes ne bo din anokwa say me din hey because the entire make us a DNA. But there's all called fat lawyer and say, and one year, someone could do anymore. And nobody will lorry fool or charge you. So, okay. So, or call, let's say, said 2 or 7 shed that doesn't so best our corners. Still, we say, man, a lorry fan or the acco. San do Betianica. Copim ze bedia some nevi. Now, look at this. Your justice system no so akwa yes say ye bet to me to asheda ma fe na asem na ba bedane bibio na e kan so waboka se sunsuro se nyame boa o ansa kura na verdict no be ba bonte no na sika wahye no sika wase no nye sika kuma nye sika ba na so wa nye locking so na nipa nso a wode ne twe no wo sika oh la la ilala ha aha menim pedifo ne lawyers do other kasayeze kwabe dunti na cases ne bi etumi atwimu ne ade akɔhye date tintintin no enye biribia o o zika it employ the experienced lawyers also are judges love to listen to because they learn from them. Nti so obegina nanimu no okasa no yira obewu se judge na tiwo no oboni timko sa no yisi obewu se oh okay akwa let it ni plea na o de ba ma menti ase no atwe de akwa akɔhye date ten. You see, so if you don't have money and you are unable to employ the experienced lawyers obebrese obebro nti o join your screen so abehu Africa table no dey ababeto barometer Africa barometer 4 Afro barometer 4 dey ababeto obehu say dey esitie e wo honom di oman bia ne gidie e wo justice system ne mu di we say also confidence in obtaining justice in the court. 38 countries from 2024 to 2025 no more years aso vie and say oya ase wa de dikan e Morocco ne boa obed said the dikan Morocco as a screen or far from me, but I'm trying to set me eti Morocco and a decline not Tanzania twaso chase obebre pants na wanya justice wo emema obebre some vifri pants na wanya justice wo emema. And it's very worrying say etisa a justice system no yes are slow sa na fi timemufo eni gidi ni ahotoso ewo mu ewo honum hadwen eba bia Ghana de na saying okay Ghana de na saying 47% ne wo gidi wo justice system ni muso benya justice our court nti percentage ne 47. Eti ko ba kono so na me ha de obed the next one nti we so say people treated unequally under the law. Unequally under the law. I know so Ghana had saying 6%. Woo. Unequally. Kwame Agyarko mami manachi. Obeni?
Mami.
Maje.
Ya nua.
Na bom ti saying.
Na me ado me ho den na me consistent say obi a menim ne lawyer bi. E bia.
The biari
Bia odwa na si so. Ba bra betiase. Opo a ozo betiase. Me de chire ro lo we say yes. Ona say kofo. Gwawe. Kofo twi kofo ko debo kroba o. Uradi Jacopo.
Bibia be fine.
Bibia be fine.
Ya metiase. Obedi mami ntire.
Ba me na ase na anopai. Me fa akwanya we so. Na Memo Hinini Ade, the host of the flagship program, a year Sompa Komo, my man, a happy birthday. And then I had what they say, or no name the entire dinner berry asen. Sir Yankopono, or no anka say, Popo, si propo Yankopo. Sir Yankopona on Shano. Na onomwan omana kuma so ade nyina embrem. You know, she's like she's a big sister to us. In fact, from day one, me baha me ne Agyarko nyina akọ no office. The love that she showed, and ochese oyena oyenua tie na enya sa akwanya so on behalf of the management of Sompa FM, Sompa TV. As a general manager here, no, me say, ohun aba wa mobo na onfani fra dumu kwa dumu. Oma ni gie ne sedie we ye won anim no. Ma Nyankopon mani firi nanim da. Oma sedie nko a eni nanim. Nyame emasum biara ento no. Nyame ma na adom no enkoso a ne giftings no enkoso a nye kese. And that's why we love you so much. We love you beyond work. And say happy birthday to you, Hinini Ade. Enjoy your special day. At 50, Kwame is not a joke.
Oh, not at all.
At 50, it's not a joke.
She still looks young and
very
beautiful.
Young, vibrant, beautiful.
Beautiful.
You know,
beautiful.
Yes,
oh yeah, now we are because of the late 30s.
Yes.
We are because of the late 30s.
Yes.
But 50 pa.
50 pa, Kwame.
Very beautiful.
Very, very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very, very beautiful.
No, you're not offending you. Oh, the mother will picture bidon. Kwame. Said you know it's Ginaso. Oh, but over Yama and Cardia to so. I'm still Ginaso now. Me person, me mamma for chronology. No who say, said your tea you crowd not, Chase no change. Yeah, what I say. Swag no swag no. Now they have the pictures now, a ruling. Swag mama.
Hey, that's the one.
That's the one. Woman king.
Amelia or the Bebang.
Ale.
I saw or the Bebang. Get to the Bebang. There's a dressing when it did.
Everywhere she did.
Versatile woman.
Very, very.
A man, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
A man, happy birthday. She is always our sister and forever be our sister.
Oh yes, our big sister.
Our big sister.
Yes.
What you say? Nufutabraba. Yes. Inti edama for obienya binu.
I love this picture.
Obena obia. Oh yes.
I love this picture.
Yes. Ne smile cry ne nya ne smile ne
ne smile ne Kwame a bit me infective.
No cry thank you. Asa. Anya some kitwa.
Infectious.
Very infectious. I mean.
Wow.
Or fan so say wa fan.
Tete.
And dey be nyana hwe.
Tete.
Oni.
Tete.
Ya me gat say odu bibia bi o.
Kai.
That's why. If you need to still be heavy. Obeko wachi mini obeko wachi. Form tamu.
Obeko wachi no obeko salute.
No. Yes, fantastic. That's why. What be so guys about o kache no. I don't know me tenase dwen wa but obey the day. Na meti ase.
Bia be fine.
Bia be fine. De nyame be kan na no kre.
Ma me ntia fresh aluta.
Fresh
aluta.
Fresh apreku alutere. She aluta. Ya jai.
Na meti ase.
Ewo MPR.
MPR.
The go for episode have o show ka je se di dua oba ye di jalo. Ara pe ya bala chipa. Kwame.
Beni.
Mame nase. Ase some komono de wa kan nyina. Ne kan susu no. Ne kan so no. Na nneema bi wa so man as a nation. Also yada ya my focus ekoso ye. Na emre bia no hu says excellency kasa ya na unya aboche analyze nyoma okana whether the qualitative way or the quantitative way. It tells you say the man at this time no owa kuma pa more mine no. But sometimes no I mean the surrounding and things no and I asem. You see say focus na wasn't ka NDC as a party omudi omanhoodi nyina guso e fight say 484 no ye betwam because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be di 4 MPP 4 be wura di 8 good years. Kwame na His Excellency has about 4 years.
Okay.
The trend no it shouldn't continue if they are to sit down and do a proper quantitative and qualitative analysis.
Okay.
And the focus shouldn't be on who is next, but the focus should be say the promises I dey ma Ghana for no achieve. Kwame say ultimate achieve promises na new poor beba enye issue because ye hwe de watimi aye ana ye say am for modern money chain into aso say ye koyi sebi mpraduasa sebi mpraduasa I am impese meta use because I find it a bit blasphemy but mame de yamra nipa akwam na menka say ye kofa even Bill Gates ebedi o mine so a menko use nyankopon but meka Bill Gates eba bedi akwanya no so a as NDC on NDC tikita Kwame na se Mahama amamui omtwa no toroka no kwasem ni say nipa no onya seat no
sure
onya seat no
sure
especially whereby there will be a new transition enya Mahama na eba because Nanado ba the first term no you so okay ya man another term because na the first term ne the second term no anu twa no toroka enti eduru baabi no ni nyina nso so omama reasons to mu see twa toroka omama Ukraine Russia war omama other issues COVID the bebubo but in that fourth in the second term no anko ya man anado sa eduru baabi nso arrogance of power opulence lifestyle ana kasatwitwie a omode ma Ghana for na afunu Ghana for bebre Kwame eduru baabi no even tibrekese na do ni posture any kwan ya na ofa so handle issues to me, wasn't the best. Drew baby, you have to give him whatever reason or take a special check. Office or the check, oh baby. You have to give him a special check. A Drew baby kasentry, a free party hierarchies in ho. A bano. Na abefun Ghana for. And this is for who say, Sa dia na etu nanado no. And yet only on economic grounds. Say the performance of the economy in Kwa. Name the attitude of the people. And so ma omu ye hi. Am omu funu Ghana for.
Sure.
Because if not, Kabaumia that omu preachy about him. Or no, to me, Baumian Tikran MPP wini abano for the first term no. Because so lectures are not papa ya. Oti as an economist who say and as a financial person who say papa or your brainy. But the Drew baby Ghana for am fan kwansa. Almost they will do that analysis. Oh, okay. Ukraine Russia war, of course, any impact. Obia no bet makaso any impact. Because the current majority leader and went for a foreign program. He stated say one of the things they hiring no as on mine. His Excellency you can say Mahama and Swaka. So of course, admittedly, Obia himself will impact our economy. They take to COVID nearby. It will impact our so. Onyoma hwe egu so ana nhunu hyehyɛ but o ma nhunu nyoma hyehyɛ ana Ghana for say enough is enough montwe mo hu nkogina nkyɛn na yemma another hands emra another hands ne buy ne they were favored in the first year you hu stability of oil ayefu fan go ntutumu a na ekoso drastically no Kwame eba fom ana wo hwɛ yen debt to you can say yen growth to debt products now yen GDP ne yen you can say inflation and all these indicators it was favoring NDC as a party and as a government. But Kwame edru baby no enyoma asesa ni bi say you say inflation no now was single digit, still a single digit, but you say even from last month and this month no you say cost. I will not be surprised at the end of this month no the month of June you will say be inflation as a cost. Kwame ye hwe nyama ekokoso all these indicators no economic indicators no I shall say reverse how to stabilize it no very important. Now Nyamisha or main to the extent say Drew baby Sami Jamfi I'm not surprised say only nya best CEO the chunk of gold that na yetimi eje yetimi nya net dishemwa emfa illegal way enkwa amano ne no Kwame oman na nkasa ton directly enya mfa so emayen during the MPP era no na mfa so na eba na ko individuals bibotom but they have been able to tell nyoma bia ema sa mfa so yenya o gold ni nyina no plow back to our system eduntina emre bia hu se yen dollar no to cedi no embu ni bebre but Kwame if you are not careful how things are going you will see the rise of the dollar again you will see inflation rising and Kwame you will see the macro and the micro economy ne say enyoma ebubu agum so this is the time so more any time to do politics it shouldn't be 2026. Okay. 2026 is a trying moment for the NDC as a government, as a party, and as a party in government. A trying moment, momupa. And this NDC war, pinidu be ya. Ana way na way. It shouldn't be 2026. It could have been even better since coming in 2025. 2026 is a dangerous year, Emma NDC. It's a trying and testing moment for them because Oshed nyama eko nyina amonone sene ewiase global economy ni siko Ghana fo nim global economy asemu Debi ye de ne say ye de akire jaw ohwe ne de ne watima ya found that is what Ghanaians expect Ghana fo expect say emo na wo buy na wate so no de na say eko animu petrol buy na stabilize no de na say eko animu because enche se to case kemu a na Ghanaians will start feeling the heat. Ade ma MPP abamuo no feeling heat pa ye. Ade ba ko ne say eye case kamu atoto enche ne ato case kam and it affects everything. Some buy more ya quite big push. But say Drew baby ni abandon big push project no because mo say scabi we also destabilize the economy na yentimi fanye mpuntu dwuma na kwa me ya kwan na keka ho a do you think Ghanaians will be happy? So this is the trying moment, this is a test case for them. As in 2026 enye year was the NDC edidi nzehunu kra a year they have to form a formidable team, even more than 2024 our move back into election, and when they won our move back in 2025 2026 in a good time NDC and the NDC for Baba men a member we never me who said our favorite boy baby me said no crave you did birthday. It could be him. It could be him. Kwame, na ya anhwe ne anya ne ma ya.
Nipa nyo.
Ya anhwe na NDC fo anhwe no ma anya nyoma ya. Ebe yo mu sesini. Enti omu nyai se we na eba be as flag bearer. We na eba be say tap pindu no. Nipa ya nsua de. Ye nsua de. Pindu 2026. Eye danger ban NDC. Omu obibi ya, omu ntwen no omu ntimi stabilize the economy ni said omu in 2025. Ansa no matimia movies o mu ba be pinidu no sa de no ma sha ase ye no ebi de dangerous efisem no ene ye de kun ba abonten. So they have to be careful, they have to be very careful and make sure say they manage things very well in 2026 enyoma mu ngo o hwa said de ekoso a e say fu e pejam fu mu peja is not the doing of the government. But a global thing happen. But over down to your economy, how you handle it, how you stabilize the economy, how you manage it. That is very important. And no ne betchra and for more than one I say to us and ne betchre. Timidie. And yet time for NDC say flag bearer and a way sober. Kanya Shiromuncha in 2027. They will have an ample time. And in the wisdom of the party, no, how much time cry. I was a flag bearership election ekoso. Unlike opposition, you're turning term. Oh, abemwa, you take time kakra. In the wisdom of our forefathers and our frontiers of various parties, you know. And the omunye very careful. Omunye very careful. More move for 2026 because 2026 work of a big push aba. With big push, you know, so it demanded a lot of money. Already, amount for any show say free senior high school. I say oba obiguno no. Amanfo ani hwe say free senior high school no ubetimi aye amana yeye ubetimi adi bibi abeka ho eno da hwa ye hwe. You have agenda 111 said ye do 95-90% no at least went man finish ni nyina at least eno de also timi finish Ghana for hwe no wa kwan ya wa yiye gugugua a big project and also a lot of it demanded a lot of sika. And the investment so and this is the time a nyansa mo bo ano 2025 for more destabilizing. Say nyansa na was here na anyway Kwame, you don't even get them on a round table to do this discussion. Because if Atofos in any womb on a finance minister, if Erikopoku any womb on any power that Greek, if you can say chief of staff any womb chief of staff any womb. If the chairman of the party, any woman, Kwame, a dangerous, a dangerous, a dangerous, party not joint, na elkun.
Sure.
And the man get dangerous.
Sure.
And yet MPs and yet ordinary ministers. These are tip breakers of NDC. And in your time, no cry. 2026, more dear momu, and they are managing it well, but Oman Shea, a bedroom baby, a bedjinsem. Because cares can change. They say almost the next floor a price. And Sunday, what decided so to Kema. Baby, I two, Adia, you two Magana 40 heat by a casca. And then I'm about for and no maybe to Tumba as a Ghana form found. And that's a Ghana form found. A hitium, but Casicadie. A hitium change directly. So they have to be careful. Okay. And Transport Ministry or Papa no, also in your may. They have to strategize. By now, Kenya a lot of public transport, which will say because the competition it will not give power to the unions and associations. Say, better to boom at any time, because now monopoly no about they will decide for us. But there were a lot of buses say pushing Ghanaians, and buses shouldn't be any buses, but buses are comfortable that can compete with the private person. Then Ghanaians will know say the way forward for us no better. If not, dear Kwame, Adibeyo.
Mate, Kwame, if not, they are Dibeyo. Thank you very much. My main come from farmers. You see, what's if ye office so babe wire? I say, wiring no so a bit jinaso na open meter wanya no wanya and temenso. So, Kofa Quanchain and Fichiri say, or electrician or be wire the amawa. Said the obre onion meter na sana abekoso abre. Because I was say or yes certified electrician or be wire we na fi obe frame penifo no maba ababe na penifo so certified ya sending message e dia ma ECG ne Energy Commission na sa message na nkasa so won so won saka bi a wo de akwa kopie mu ECG office na de a kire o mo say mababe ma wire me fie ma wire me office ma wire bia ya bia me pese me di djuma wo ho na me wire wie ye nso no message ya ma me ni o de kwai no o kope message a entem so okra no wanya no tentem but wo ko yisu nkwanchen a be kwa ko salise a wonya because Energy Commission hu ni say wire no enyina ne nan so ansipi ansita enu nti o chena bi ebetumi ama ho ahye ebetumi ama oye na bi asidi a ye mpene me ba cho ye be hye sa djumade ya say 1st of July 2026 the 1st of July obe wire ufi obe wire wodan obe wire baby a make sure say obenya certified electrician kwan obefa so ehuni ko na fi ko app certified electrician GH app oko hweta app no so a obehu wo area wote obi a we certified obetumi wire dan na Energy Commission aginatum obehu omu nyina se bia ahwe a okay asimasi ote ha sei the number nie no yi no afre no ababa yes aware no dia ma pacho hye no so na tu anamo na tu milikan tentem pacho wo ye kuani a kuayo business kakraka pa onim but enam say ye nim nti no ya fa ne say like adwuma bia kekenti ya nananom na aye na ye punishment na sefo say wo ti kuasi a na wo ye investment wo kua mu a ena obehu say e wo mfaso pa because ne mfaso a wobenya ne say at the end of the day no atosode na ba ana wafudie na so se doso se so bebre sa ade ano hu sampa usika nso ena abai OCP fertilizer na make am for the amawa no pay ye wo OCP 1515 ene ye wo OCP 102010 tutumrike kwajibi na afi onoba ye no enso doso Tago herbal mixture and capsules na efrewi Tago herbal mixture and capsules of frail. Or say, men can't say, so Okusia, Rabia to say, na say, le bia woda hoboti, le bia wo ceiling, untumi nka untumi nya hwe. Just say, adena wu ada, entumi nka no ho a, wabaka. Wabaka onfro daddy enfro miura da. Kwaku papa kwesi papa ya papa ma papa nkwa no befro. Erunti Tago herbal mixture, erectile misfunction ubetumi use low libido and infections are hodo nyina use from 240243228 acho ene perfume no ne boy den and no obi di bi bu obi wo baby ne boy den pa because opese o smell good. If you want to smell good about your way your perfume we after wash I buy a friend of comfort. Now the senior man vie pa de ko hatana ko yi niema na wa la to Mr. Center want ade mu hwam o san to so ene ni da ho eno wa must spray krana still wo special scent ne fragrance be through ho pacho after wash I friend of comfort Unilever and e dia babontin comfort or say ajibe bia RSY Novigi Studios to me dress it say Rabia 2 on body duko no amaw amelia dressing head to toe o per studio so you trap picture no so ya kama and so we a film producer so yeah you be and now wabonyo person per studio be abetumi I trap video e dey amaw wonyom na me pa cho RSY Novigi Studios omo Accra Malama Biase off First Kokroko Street friend was 05747157778 and 0303974822 Roman father Druno enaba on say ya na on san ayi titriti be huna rabia to so ya be no awoso ne nsa say no the nine bofom pam me pa cho ya de na ye o sa no nya nansi anansi onye police say stroke nso na eche body pains ni weakness pressure ni diabetes and now say chronic diseases a Roman father drew ya Father Martin's herbal mixture ya aba no eno na wo say wonum bi from 0247 919 122. The sciatica expert na no pay me come for their mouth. Sciatica expert. O to ase na etwe wo no. Abubada to ase na etwe wo no. Untumi nante. Na me ha me sisi na me nan na obehu anu wa kampam. Na ba cho 21st clinic na afrawi. Bra ne ntwitwiw ne massage o. Na sisie no ntoso enyina ne nan so na tumi bo adwuma. Wo so wo sika na se wo yade na da fa ko a enya de. Wo akwantu bi tu na se wo yade a untumi nko. Nti answer a betumi ayi we nyina no gisi apomodin no egina ne nan so ewo eye honum abedwafo ba bedi atenase ma menko na afi memma wono mo ache na yen hye yen komodidie na se Ken Abubada Communications Director Hopeful kwa da so constituency one eye Comrade Harris na no kwasem ne ze Obed me yakọ so afato me nu nyina so se be atiefo nka se me hamani na me introduce omo as me dim so ma sheda o bia ma me African Prince kama ama ne space kama ne chenso ayi ne sisi so and so omo sheda di nkomo se omu ba be shianti they should come with such dressing they I don't know but they are looking handsome me ma watching and you never fool. And never Abubada Machi.
Really, I made you so now.
Did you have to say?
Now I heard the idea. Ebenezer, the Muhammad, and this is for the Aberdeen. They kind of abuse. About Sana, so sent to confront out to a cake to him. Was as attack me. As we me,
said was so. Oh, was so.
Yeah. And the constant you know. So failure and I became was one of Macusa. Yabani, I could talk, whatever you could talk. Oh, aimless fight and the Quavers win this no one to make. Oh, and this is not the first time where I know. Heckling, attacking, whatever.
Careful, be obedient.
Oh, no, the bombers was a
comment my chair.
Any image also.
Not an eye, sir.
Sir, why would him MPP, a typical of MPP? They cry over spilt milk. They cry for nothing. Just because we buy kasa. Na my catcher say, "Oh, Mike, no one so into kasa emba sonu and then tokwanu." Oh, and it's typical of the character of the party.
But also, be na na tata sa.
Adansi ewe. What is obi tata obi?
So
they create mountains out of mere molehills.
Leader no musian say ya mama even your producer can test to this fact.
Mama a clerical example. Me buy some mic keke as a brother. Some mic next city I buy o kasa a tie for near for BT. What's my attack you? Why are you crabby? But Mamma Charlie, you are looking so nice. That's a some powerful more. A character of always appearing very neat, very exceptional on TV. I mean, it's a plus to. And nothing I'm more fair or high. So I say, it's me then. Your boy who you know, you make sure there's a she and son. Ya basi dia bear munti. And it's about me friend me and catch and say, "Nedo buy Serena." One shall not see. Oh, the
biao body.
And I'm a friend. And I'm a friend. Say evidence. Sa yo. Send your phone call. Send your phone call. Mamin Chawan Kasana, Minya, Kim Kojo Abubada. Na Minsre, Nimpeswa, so for say, a drew time I was say, Omutimi, a show in Monyam, because I started here communication in the Ashanti region. One of MPP problem, Poyando and Kasaja to me say, it's also part of the reason why Omo Dincho was Santiman, because Omuni communicators no, Brofono ya neding. English speaking I mean stations in from Omo Nyanipa, but Abubada na one of the guys are ultimate chi no or kaniye. Esatimide Takashi Cabrofono.
A description ya no day.
Na say no she or English speaking stations no. Ultimate vocabulary be this a compare long man contemporary English.
and son it me decode.
So that tells you say he reads a lot.
Yes, exactly. Into a born home the engine more because meaning party no. Obet me a fine candidate for the position, but say charming and I will because any candidate no overlooking the potential and the competence no. No makofa incompetent person now mama I pray say basis na menchia Aswansi constituency for
mafia na che.
But this time there, yes, we shall force them to do the right thing because you know BC from near campaign amano because Abu Bada there, for politics in change.
For position
oh, maybe bad deputy youth organizer was constituency.
Oh,
Aswasi. Deputy youth organizer. And yes, I'm get to Accra. Only say communication there, adomache there, and a communication. Ubeti with the Abua portfolio be our party more. So what I say, oh, you're national organizer, also you're a very good communicator. Oh, you're regional organizer, also you're a very good communicator. Oh, you're president, also a Juma Bia or baby, there should be communication to make it better. Into no Nipa Bibi say, I don't know communication, and then Uncle Pond Achemi already. Into no young for communication on Kobwa you two, and they say they are a mebuno, being a power, so no papa so. Now yet may use that opportunity to amplify and also register their displeasures and solve their welfare issues. And into
comrade, more for so general secretary. Na ma ne wa babo until the caution abase. You should stop this power fight in for cut it off. Na mo ya say party no. Ma mintio.
All right, me that say. Ma mintia okumkom nwa bieja. MC. E o say okumkom honorable wisdom o say boama. MC obon homoden na honorable Frank owusu amuaso e bon homoden e wo I think that is constituency or this side. Refi. Na menchia minu ankasa ostrich Richmond Osei ono na yede neighbor as the regional organizer for Ashanti region. Ostrich Osei. One na candidate delegate no any amount for two
for regional organizer
Ashanti region
NDC.
Exactly. Intino ma menchia na napawe. Na o can say be say ya tata national secretary amana ba bontia be kasa na question ba kwa mpese me busa ne say minim say wadwuma bo pio o Ghana amanyosem and a political party sini na unim figures no and you can tell say unim their traits and characters na ohwe owura fifi kwati we nipa based on the character what portray since time I would even we nipa bia obi bit me pushing so onye bibi
he said party no na say more top pressure my party no he being the general secretary he is feeling that heat and that pressure no more to the man through that angle
the all you know and I comment about bonting be can we this is not the first time about bonting I be signal is a caution
okay
and he has been someone where a robust and independent-minded person I will believe is a winner, irrespective of feelings, new emotions. What can I say? And that is the reason why the delegates do satamna ye po bia obit me I take you over from national chairman Honorable Johnson Asidun Ketiano delegate in the Tomano because this is the character they know him to be of, and this is the man they elected. So they are not the party is not surprised. And then they be America Zamba say a wo ba wiase. Na unye obi a obehwe wanim aka no kre akyerewa you are doomed. Meka emra na MPP for opposition. Honorable Mustafa Hamid. No team fifre wallahi baby Ghana bedu no. NDC for nya omo ka no kre akyerewa omo nti no you are doomed. Okasa asem nyina. Enti no even though ono so mobenya atumi no wa ma eno an guide no ama omo ntimi anya ne omaye ene corruption ene say ene ono an kasa as we speak no kra no ono so he standing trial over corruption issues but say futu no futu a was amanyoku bia e de bobra because the ekoso no e wo party no e ade a e was a party impending for ehwe no mo so ano ntem because yes, na man for womani edi say me na me pese me ye flag bearer me na me pese no omo refi the main duty I was so omo ye as executives no na afa de omo chesi ade aye nyandro ade tinyam asem de e otwe de ampo nyankopon kwa nanimo Professor Mills wanda andwen hu say onwie ni presidency obeja wako His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wanda njin hu say ade ye be chi no ye be so ani in as president o it is okay to have ambition, but we should be measured on how we chase that ambition, because today and tomorrow, even the next minute of our life, is never promised. Until no one say one of the guiding principles I be guide, because and so we the cause of party no more. Untumi mfa sobo no emmo wo mo aye bo mu din say we pe president ni biedi we pe biedi untumi mfa mama mfa honorable Kasel Atofos mfanya example. Misrewo yeti Ghana unhu se papa no aye bibia e suggest say wonya president obedi. Wako jogging. Wa organize jogging bia e koso a amanfo be kase because of jogging we there you bet me read meaning say o person o flag bearer ntino no yes wa hu bi. Wa organize thank you to. So why are people dragging him into all this conversation, saying, say, or no super president in ID, Mr. O, Yebusa, Ashafua, or Munchra Dia Bakwa, the Honorable Finance Minister, Atofos Aya, HRSA, or president, and he's manifesting a sign of desperation to be president. Are you saying he doesn't have a vision, so Baba, flag bearer? How do you and I know until he himself comes out to make a public announcement, say, Minya Mepepe? How do you know? Are you writing that? Yet me suggested say nipa we obeye, but that is the opinion of people. Are you writing that of say ninitrim? Na me that me say what ye minim ye wotrim. Uso nim ye wo bitrim. Ye be dey wo de wono say wonitrim. Sometimes the way nipa no be conducting ho, ni the way I was be ye ne nioma no, e na be ma yetimi suggest said ye o ye die wonya obede obedi. But honorable Atofos behavior. Are you behind Atofos? It's not like I'm behind. One after the other. So that we will fish out the people who are actually making all these arguments a public discussion. I see. So what I say, because I told in here, Bibi Sada, Haruna Idrisu. Then Honorable Haruna Idrisu, I suggested when your president obedi. Okay. But why thank you to Anna? Okay. Why organize jogging? And your mom, thank you to Anna, suggested one more person. We should narrow the argument to the two people so that we say, as Ade Akye say to them, now phone where you are, you need your offer. And the two people know so phone no yira na enim ne wafa ya be search yeah also now we become suspect way doubt say we na fire we so doubt yeah any sana yemwa so unim your fire you can save the room for suspecting anybody no point is nipa we there calling us unim mo yi omuti say public discussion here o mu ayenim so o ma yi omuti ne mienu we should be very factual o ma kan and no na o mo kan but based how then are you if you allow me to learn you understand why I'm doing also based on Yamfan is honorable Julius I mean chief of staff Deborah yes o start here ne keep fit work. People read meanings. Who almost said they almost said it in no on your keep fit. Now I didn't as I say there why said that drafty keep fit no it is an attempt to register or to announce his presence so when you're obeying because he is doing that. Yes, because and it's justifiable. And you understand that. That is it's justifiable because who say then it just say so if that is justifiable, what is also wrong? Say you be reading meaning say be a tough forcing so pay quite for so manage economy in there what to say oh yes. Now then I am the finance minister. And your economy management in the man finance minister. Can you for real I am the finance minister no kind Bible show white no per president any. No, also the chairman of the party. So also thank you to organizing party, thanking the party. Say woman so buana the party na about power. What is also wrong with that? One of the things in say that attitude on that movement, you know, yes. People are suggesting why would you be having thank you to when already your intention, people have already read meanings. Or when already the president okay. So a man who quite my mouth with me say the way they suggest to say unya BBC obey. So what must say? And you know, for me, I feel like almost I know more interview because national chairman can say Emra Yeko election as a national chairman. One on they approach by say yen decentralized campaign. Say the as a president or ha one so be wa. Enti baby a woko ya woko catch our man for so omonto aba emfama president omonfama government of the NDC no e was say wonu a woko sere otumi no e was wonu aso ko hoko dase and it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. And honorable Julius Deborah also utie ne camp so a bebre na say sa keep fit way enye no enne no start here che but because of say ba mu as say spotlight na sa bedding abeton so no that is the reason why people are reading meanings into that. Okay. And me the mechanism on say mpanimfo we obi ani wa ba bonti abeka bibia but wo mu di akire no The last time I saw a video of Honorable Julius Debra at a public gathering, and Obiara said, Mr. President, incoming, or 10 a.m. And the video went viral. Kachin said, no. The video went viral. But nobody paid attention. Said, Papa, no, ya kato no sono kran or kasa debi entisa. Nobody said that. Nobody. He rejected and refused. Ebia the momo take you almost or more paba no crown.
Be crying in your
Massa, baby, I dare not do wrong. Don't predict for people because it's early days yet. They say, no, national election and national congress. And yet, no. We are talking about somewhere 19th December. We have a mandate to deliver because Ade Akye the next flag bearer and I successful. No? And it will depend on the performance of the government now. And we should just cut down whatever ambition. Obi and Kanji Obi say, many ambition to grow. It's good to dream. It's good to work your way out. Yeah. But then let's do it. I mean, in a most professional way. Say the Abia, it will not sway our attention from delivering on the mandate that Ghanaians gave us. Because you can be a flag bearer in opposition. What will be the importance of being a flag bearer? Because the party could not deliver on it. In
Abubada, you wish them well. Yes. Organizer Bako. Organizer Bako. Sure.
Ubi departing him was anti me. Na me judge or no go kwapia. Chairman Kuka. Okay. Me nyaya ngo obi an contest no. Ko ready man no. Na initiative we take me and more O2 and adia mo the party ni mo. Me nyaya nkonko no.
Ya no achia Kuka ma me why.
Me chena mo na me chia oba o me ye. Mrs. Anyako. Ana obi so be can say Victoria also a town. Oba o me ye. Onzo mo organizer.
Okay.
When you has one sacrifice submission, now we put two questions. Now, so dodgy questions. Now is the emphasis. You see, when did you realize there's commotion or internal wrangling when the party? Me say I've always maintained by the close of 2027, not end this year go.
Hey,
because me a student of NDC's internal crisis. Idea must What's the obre? Who's that? What I was saying, Cabrofubi. You was somersaulting on the floor. Make others a bufaso. Question of Busara, no. And a simple explanation, but you review them. Ubi was a dear and pan, of course. What I catch the gun of was a gun of one twabam famo. Never be a enquino. When I'm not about team with the opposition, say Ghanaians are experiencing mess. It will come to face the mess. And a Ghana for any regime woman, they are twabano, yet dear mamu. It will boom, net the mamu. I feel what is going on. Complaints, internal fractures, internal conflict, whatever it is. Ghanaians are not interested. Ghanaians are not interested. And what some say, Oklahoma, Mokasa, Bayama, Ghana, Timamuni, Watono. Monshe, Namunye, because I'm not Ghana in the shares of the Twaba at the Mamu. And then, Chema, I make a Samankasa. Respect yourself, at least respect me.
Never show my meet you.
Mr. Jaco, who named the woman?
Debbie.
Oh, we was a dear papa in Nessie. Yawaha, and our white brothers, because I say, Enche, Ubi Wama. Be able to do that there. So what is our story in a buy? I said, don't remember my man, Joe Bewuna, Jena Nobo Quajamai, I be dinner there. And any young was on a Druce education minister, yeah. Was about to say, Jena Nobo Quajamai, dear, can't you wait to be President Okuma? Oh, listen, Okasama, Namity, yeah. And they can fatter when the reality hit on your face and I'll be so Casacas every year. Uzi, and now because I some word today. Unim. And I'm your story. I say, I want to snatch a man. And I'm baby, no, yet thank you, Tony, to tantrums in the air, to do jar fire. Say, go for me, Nubia, or let me see your moon. When you move free the leadership bench because of some other party, you win the power. So what is awesome? When you move free home, say because of party being. And go for me, and also tea, you know. Almost so see until now, and almost the fire as well. They educate you on what to man was imagine. And Penifua, Yatua Bamamu. What is if Ghanaians, instead of you to just apologize to Ghanaians, you know, Shady must have musa de ye ene papa ya 50 we go te na be ka che NDC for say omu ye siko fans no so okay when these people won the election here in Ghana they were advocating for mama for third term and then me grab at when timi anka say mama be ko third term o tio when timi anka bi o but na me ni me nua hia simpia bia so say radio bia so say TV bia so John can say it says John the many mama be ko third term papa yi be ka kire o mo say papa yi be ka kire o mo say fifi go te o mo na secretary be ka kire o mo say enya sanete obi bia obe kasa asem bia just simpia so ka bia o book licking person o book licker bootlicking
me ba cho mami tie no
boot oh so boot licker me na me kan ye
da bi nya wa
ayo no na kan ye ano say je na adwene mu na ho bia obe kasa mama it's a sense e ko tetem bia aye siko fund true of us on one a same person that's that or say ka che Ghana for say NDC ya hwe nsema ya ko Sweden mu pese mu gu party no na party ne gu no in the verge of collapsing party na get egu dada yes also hwa mu na gu because na anu ya me no mienu kwada sore ya de ayi yi la bibi gugu nkofo fon so ni ade enti say a way to sway Ghanaians attention from the occurrences it is be yan say general secretary yem pushing now make bibi say na be ya Ghana ni timamuni na kwato abade ma no ye betimi adada because it says don't many mama ka che Ghana because say and some of ka ma Ghana ni no timamuni no na koma na adwa adanya ma no na say o tumi ka banya no enti na Ghana for kwato aba ede ma mo ye ni short memory say de bia mo refer no ye ni short memory say de bia mo refer no the most important thing is say what promises 24-hour economy Formula 133 mudi definitely the years of Ghanaians here in Ghana say mo ba youth no mugu kantamanto market no youth no omugu event say ehwa omnam hwa tweet is youth no omugu so follow omugu kejetia no sa youth no enya de ye beda okrom ha yan da okrom ha to stand say electricity bo beba from security ye be kutu more ena anu ya ekoda sore ya usi be kutu more na nyamya ye wadom ne nkofo 500,000 akofo forma na kwenya hu na atawo ya fe wi as yi finance minister no buy or the financial crimes or the buy 5,000 pe it had be the elimination by rough tactics ye ni bim film udi sada minister ne o re ni apam youth nyasa be gu fi wi as aka chom say bebre na ya ja Rastafari bebre na face mental head look at all these things and no necessarily say because in opposition we say unemployment rate here in Ghana according to Ghana Statistical Service is 15%. Today unemployment rate is the same as Ghana Statistical Service. Say ma promising Ghana for instead of to honor your promises you are here some assaulting on the floor move bufaso unim say yen no mano ye maame mo ye sister mo no omo promises omo say Women Development Bank they say you be see banks o krom ma to say aso bia be ko bia na ye be nya bank wo ho a e man no betimi access loans no mo just so mo dwuma mu ni ade mi bu say me nuan see what the platform o ma ye baby o de keje jam for Women Development Bank de bi si mi hu ba bia bi wo mi hu ba bia bi wo ye wi so nya no adwuma wura ye ba plan assembly ho ha e de be lanche adwuma wura mi bu say adwuma de bi wo hen under 24-hour economy, Mr. Jagusa Kaya, almost 8 interconnected sub-programs under 24-hour economy. Fund 24, Connect 24, Grow 24, whatever. You can list them. We say, when you lied through your teeth. Today, Ghanaians are surcharging you instead of you to come and apologize to them. Look at what you hear saying. Ghana phone ready for your wrangling. No. Ghana phone ready for your rantings. Ghanaians are ready for you to fix the mess you said when you're in opposition. I mean, as if you go to the enemy, who the night. I am one when I'm talking. Since I love one when I'm talking, get the gumba from Gaffey. But I'm a student of NDC's internal crisis. Coming. Now, maybe just simply so they make a chunk of phone say. By the course of 2027, na NDC go. Every group say kodo because the group every 2006 anybody go here. 2006 anybody na coupon na madam. Ye be na fashion se ba mu. So we are aware. Obodo some more fashion. Corridor Jima fashion. Good town no fashion. And the papa sa and the Yakuba ya wadum. And I say, omudi ntro. No cresse. Everybody to me. And today, 2 minutes kuta. Musa su kusu tantro. And the mwanga sansu uta musika uta blade. And nanu na Ghana for pay. Tima munini pesa obedebe sorry no. Na cost of living na is high no. A swati. Them can swat as transportation cost. And then me free how you come fear. Me for come miensa ansa na maduru fie. E den aban wa ban e ya fa ho. And I look at the corner story you must say them oil refinery no one na the miwa look at yen hwe your pumps. Yen hwe your pumps. And na cost no o matum and na GPLT for. Omo say omo hwe say omo hwe events next we do. Omo kan wan say me ya omo beto transportation firm two of us. Look at this. Mutimi can wait. Matima muni no koto abama mu no enya rihemu usa gina ha masa aso de ko ya de tumi amamu na wo sem gu man na Ghana de no to no eyi chairman chairman
messages kakra ti mama joani your Facebook no messages no ma me mfa mo ho o say Pedro wa Medina Cruz o say good morning or no HI Mensa Kwesi Emmanuel o say I am watching you live from Sydney Western, Kwame Agyarko from OB4. Oh, okay, OB4. Good morning to you. Trust you are well. Okay, Benji Mfensi Seria. Or say law enforcement must be taken to reduce the flooding of late. Greetings to commotion incoming NDC youth organizer. Mwabi just south on Sonedi. Blessing Insha. Or say the great woman in media. Oh, okay. Teacher constitution. Yamwasi says, Mr. President, perhaps what is preventing you from signing the LGBTQ plus bill after Parliament approved it? Maybe the NDC government could explain their position. We might warn Ghanaians in 2024 that NDC would disappoint, and today many could be feeling the effect. Could the NDC point to one major project since 2024? Greetings to Honorable Mavis and Cancer Boadu, Asante Mankuka, and Mr. Bempa Nshayeso NPP Chairman. Hopeful. Okay, also Nidia or the Abano. My embrace, I feel next topic. So on Sam George, saying that Parliament is a house of rules, not house of appeals. This is a transfer president. They are sending a signature. Nafi ababe danemra na Yahudi wom. Abubara there na osresri.
Na unim oh. Na mi wasma Sam George okay.
Are
oh. Also Ghana for nyane.
I say Parliament a house of rules, not house of appeals.
That
say Speaker of Parliament here appeal say the bill no passing in its form no and come here corrections be ni changes kakra bia and can be boa.
When did you realize the Parliament is the house of rules? Tambe no nutina krum hu say Parliament ho no ye mra wo ho tambe no nutina hu you see Ade Akye the bia catch Ghana for say NDC for omo ye kill net for sika bedi sika
omo ye
kill net aban for sika bedi sika awam sakawa people omo scam Ghana for and I still no muguso scam Ghanaians. Why am I saying this? Prior to 2024 election e dey nan koso okrum ha e dey nan koso series of demonstrations NDC for ye okrum ha saying say akufo do ni nko for ne dom nyina na busa fo nyina ye gay malibas ntelemu sami jamfi mu tena simpie so media stations whatever it is lambasti akufo do here and there left right center sakufo do ntimi nsan LGBTQ na man memra because of foreign aid say nkofo baba ye monti akufo do ntimi nsan and dey na ekoso aya dey think say the Muhammad can say Ghana for ya le refi Ghana for refi ana ya pese ka tum say refi you me say attempt to thwart the attention of Ghanaians tio me say an attempt to thwart the attentions of Ghanaians somebody can kasa me achiro Unim and about me say. Majority that say, and some George say, but the time on normal passing the same bill. Where was some George? In Parliament, or do go? Minority were looking for him. They were calling him. Where was he when the same bill was passed? Next time we say, "Sa old bill now on no sponsor here. Maybe a best term. Sa bill now some George a sponsor here now. The last time when the court no one there. No must have for to me say because of say yes and TB to one church later but say Marco Fordon san. Sa bill anyway. Me say him. Me say so some contompo fidia we jawado. What I'm trust so as the same man as I'm going. Dabio, Yana Etiano. Yankaka Jobia say a band and the LGBT group, what women's as well rights and family values be. Yankaka Jobia say, Yabesa and Nayan sign. Mona would not simply ye the door come ha. Some George, I found say, BBC. Yabusano, do respect. Are you a respecter of democracy? As well as some George can I say, democracy existed in your region, not my region. Tio, as well no. Democracy existed in his region, not his region, because they respect customs, tradition, heritage, and culture. Some George they can't. And the same way now, more because I go for no question. More you to change. Ma take clauses about 31 of them. Me say clauses of more material me free mono. Me say come no me enu yet me tanka gay ho asem and I say LGBT and so be no be be man nhia mu and so ba no ba nhia mu say obi say Jako when I say o me dem ho me na me sika am person wale kraman can't me kan ho asem ha now you cancel and I say we a lawyer you can't go to court and defend obi LGBT and so be o gay and so a lesbian doctor Krampo doctor so we cry ya bo bi trum da na so ba na so hwe no cry etimi chap etimi chi ni pa sa achew I don't think I'm more advocate for Muhammad to send that bill. The same bill I'm preparing, you know. Me say, when you preach equity, you come with a clean hands. And I buy the boat, you know, and one is at the Bobano. Abanoa, mo prepare to hold Mrebia. Now, we didn't share for the cheap papa. The same Abano said the whole term there. And I buy the whole term there. No, me did I catch a Ghana for dear. Say, end this for. Omuntu mi obedi nyina ya ntro nanum dia me ya pa ka se ne se oh you got to a point na blaster ya kwa nya she you must know don't remember me ma kan excellence was working o see ya be the blaster team with our local players ye wi asa we foreign players come kwa no mo friendly match me say the power because asa we tell one wa jedi and o international fans saying interview as somebody was that you yes or no question yes or no. Mr. President, do you support this? Yes or no? As okay, when I come, I'll name a council of elders, veterans, we are parliament and for me quorum, and then no one some Yabusa president no. I dare know a man of war position will say, if you do me that's the swap, I will sign. When you because the president at the 14 days, whatever it is, and then 1 year count. President Nankasa don't remain in mama from the horse's own mouth or say the bear never go to the desk of Akufo-Addo. NDC4 Eretinaha. Ye did do Oklahoma say I'm not Akufo-Addo open the cabinet meeting. And NDC MPs Atambe de Twanwo. Meanwhile, them confront the bail court. Yet the bail now I can want some echo court because now clauses be Oma and Akufo-Addo they should look into their clauses before. Minya musi dia dabi e okromo sa ene sam George say ye is how close to free mu dia o se yenko san na time no mo pass the where was he me say time no mo pass the same benu where was Sam George akaze the pen kra you go pram for am no mbati sa Sam George e dey e kan ya say na Ghana nipa the sending Ghana na adum do this ya no je Sam George kan e dey when we say na ade no you are the who your co-sponsor and maybe I was not come then you show you your pass and then who's the speaker say they should bring back the bill for reconsideration. I feel like they say oh then they must have by the NTS parliament the house of rules and whatever I can so can ya pass me say that bill na any come Akufo so one sign no the bill still existed e wo I didn't think time come don't the many mama say when you prepared you na prepare ma Akufo so woni no aduane ni yemu fama mama so no di ni enhwe so koto de ne bodwe ni nya nche de onko de bi ka some chese NDC for NDC me say so you babu no nese ne who support NDC a me wants to make a che
obi be ka say the word change and changing it. So anything in this world is subject to change. This area no okay. The bill no not we could have corrected it or done it in this way. That's what my what's the from
and I go for that brepa. I go for that brepa. Where was the change when Akufo was president?
Maybe you didn't realize it then.
I didn't realize it. And I make a just say when you preach equity, you come with the clean hands.
Marty. Comrade.
Openi. Me pese me no nyina any wono yenye simple exercise because or refer to NDC Aban as QNet government. Now we say omo address na inflation was hovering around 15% and saying 18% and ka nyina bacho I was say so kasa unti o me o kasa okay on unemployment unemployment I agree we say about 15% me pese o for phone currently Google what is the rate of unemployment in Ghana here on say ohona we chantro communication enye gidi o sometimes to book refer read before you come to say something else I'll be good in mass and now I know say unemployment is hovering around 13%. So true of us true of us
as at third quarter of 2025
true of us. Oh, Charlie, you are not on the mic. Don't spoil the program.
I do the microphone.
Ashafo MPP ne twantro ama nanimu agu asesram wa ha. Ukoso atwantro na wa hwa ombezo ofo no mbeka so communicate yenti hwe ni. Again, we refer to NDC government as QNet government. Government and then QNet government, no, at the e-levy by, at the emission tax by, at the COVID levy by, at the betting tax by, and no, and your QNet by.
Says that and near Wahochim.
Now, and then we need I want you to time. Catch me. I want you to
now COVID about.
Intimate
and Russia Ukraine was.
Mr. COVID ne buy about within a period, and SSC within a period. Russia and Ukraine ne buy about within that period, and it's still happening. And the US, Israel, and Iran and Tokyo, and Koso and say Koso. So, Abanya also with your COVID by into the obit me a year about time for this or Sabejo Moto, while other African countries were even giving incentives to victims. And this is the government I promise here we have the men. And so when you are men,
say about my incentives, but drew baby none whole
incentives
said now teacher for the next 40 few government workers, but no to
but at the end of the day, the utility tariffs now was what is on the sana he was not paying for it, and it was a subject for discussion. And the Abaya and QNet and Abetra betting tax, a tra COVID levy, a tra e-levy, a tra betting tax, a tra taxes swinging now. Abaya air QNet Abano, matrons. Of various senior high schools no omo be demonstrations say aduane ni ho students ni nche aduane a omudi nwane tantan emma abonte because today they are funded adequately say aban na QNet aban no and the textbooks echo as compared to time na momu aban mu no a whole academic calendar na textbooks nko abanya onya QNet aban obaye no wabeti ni minister so too as at now is 59. But Abanya was the one the QNet Aban over 103 and more. Aban, you get my point? Please. So that is a clear distinction between the NDC and the NPP. And again, on Semini Abubada, maybe I make a say communication, humanize law. You have to, be reading. And yes, I'll be going to say. Was say, and then Sam George were here, LGBTQ, the last time, Jimmy Ababa, the last time. Yebusa Honorable in Team Forge say, and then Sam George has he abandoned the bill. Was it there be? Sam George is still committed to the bill and it is working hand in hand with them. And Timini Okojo Abubada, gidi ni se o chimna o kasano, eno emma o kasana enya no kre. Enti no wachantro and a media chow, meaning say one kind and sana over. Now, Mami go into the merit of the matter. Nene, media you say, ye amendment, ewo. Bill numu entino ontiasie and Akufo-Addo abre look amampeni hodo a mobile nyina ye na eni mo stance against this LGBTQ omampeni soldier ban Rollins on the own family nim kra ensi omampeni Kufo MPP ni mapa but o kan kure say on support it Omampeni Mills can create so on support openly. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Kaye, Maodi campaign, so when he comes, you sign it. Oba and so anche NMP before start here. Oh, say catch him say Mahama or Dadamu, kill netabai, also monka LGBT assembly bium. Mini Jimmy Ababa, omo enyo omo na ejina parliament say ya abandon bill no. Intim for job abonte beka say abandon bill no. Meanwhile, so ne omoko meetings at the committee level are not in team for your cry. He was not attending to meetings on the bill. And then Ade Akye MPP omone say woman who say na ade na bill 8 years it meeting na ho ye ntimi anya hwe amfa ho. I'm a president kwa anchire the commitment so person was signing. Na aban bi beba just in 16 months no abe sign bill. Say na just say you go MPP no. Na just say Ghana for nyina be hu say MPP no is a lame government because Adia went me for 8 years no abandon by the 16 months aye. So let us divide a strategy to frustrate the signing of the bill because immediately LGBT bill no yes sign per MPP Ebeka in a perpetual opposition. And that is the reason why they are doing this. Also, this recommendation I can want some way. That was the same recommendation I think your markets or Muli Dabeka chair say and until no more objectives are for the best signing bill no. Meboa. That was the same thing. Omumpeni for say it had legal issues, and until those legal issues are addressed, they were not going to allow President Akufo-Addo to sign the bill. NSEO say ya bill no. Ade a meme busa Ghana for ni ahwefo nyina say ade ntina sa time no na omo majority omo no normal buying so enti no omo say there were constitutional issues in the bill no ade ntina president and recall it bill no back to the parliament no I catch am say okay we na me hu say ene ye mura bata ne boy bra enti no mo hwa na mo sisa na mo famra but was one sign preko you had the majority then. You could have made all those changes and one kasa mo propose here no. Ni aye na president na san but because you don't have commitment and you are against the bill and untimanye. And the same recommendation no NDC are buying some listening government. Okay, the wo afenyo marking sky no fabra ye de beka ho. Because ye Ghana mra no emra bia obebia eni kwan se eburu ye Ghana mra no. Enti ne ye law bia na ye disusu se entra ana enchampempe so ye law no se yenye. Sabio and amroba ya bonu to of course but omaka say oya amroba ya bo 20 ewe mo ankasa na mo propose say eni kwan say ye na sa enti o say exempting professionals a bit is doctors a bit is lawyers any mo central for any research bodies ya jatum and ya sa de sa recommendation am ankasa mo man e de ahye bill no a still na mo se monti ase. But the American say Ora Sam George what demonstrated commitment far beyond reasonable doubt and a Ghana and the history would forever remember his resilience. The speaker here, no, my majority leader, Honorable Ayaraga, was look in the absence of speaker, no, passing bills baby. Speaker never had issues regarding passing those bills, no, and every parliamentary procedure and process beyond was exhausted. Yeah, and the speaker can agent check better emra. And as so long as one way majority leader now or parliament, what's here government business no, Emremu bill no has been passed, and that is it. And no now, Honorable Sam 90 George can say, look, adiano yaye, and a yaye no kwanso, and the BNU ABC. When I can more meet me, he was fighting for the bill when he was in opposition, and up to today, he is still fighting for the bill in his government. It shows he has been very consistent to seeing that the family values of this country is protected. And to speak at your wakana, and I mean, some just here, Parliament is the house of records. Parliament is the house of rules. It's not the house of appeal. And the speaker, yes, Rana, but near my bill, I was a speaker any.
Mate.
Because Mami Fancy, the legacy na IFA as a speaker of parliament. But Niama Bakumi and Nubio one ya or dine a chair, ya the back kind on their castle. A bit of one, I think your market scobo police in Asum. Speaker see him, Aquapimene and Teshi. Again, Omoko ye, I mean, year to speaker election. One white thing crying echo a ballot box, a ballot paper every year. Omokasa or Muya investigation. And the speaker of Babino, Yanyahoshi. Again, okay, during the vetting, nyama omo yes sir, wejagbawe MP omo pai parliament table ni omo ka so we speaker what ho ya nyawe. Ye ka say daughter of a murderer on the floor of parliament ye inside my ye denigrate the first president of this country. Jerry John Rawlings more parliament o mu de koye but speaker te ho speaker entimi anya ho hwe enti the legacy ni de ayefe but until say speaker entimi ensure say justice is done for all these things are mate ya kasa wa ya dia ya be kasa nanso
abubada wa no ye o meka me ma o 1 minute bi na me
me say daughter of a murderer blood widow na was the daughter of a murderer na blood widow where were you? Ubuza there be no back baby am ton where you go be no
yeah
they no want to baby am ton go be no
there be you shouldn't use that
the American say LGBT who sensem ya be me I say he is trying to sway the attention of some kind no hwe one me te fence clauses ewom my body can you be dada da ho I must akofo adon sai I'm say because of 8 parliament not no sab be number person I just seen FS I love say another say
I know I'm running kind I say any kind
look at you
opening I am running next year you need to man your majority need sorry and I can say any parliament where my nyina na all bill no yan sign it mama I can kasa and I'm one kasa mo santi ase this is a cover process because that old bill has died with the life of the 8 parliament yeah kind
thank you very much. I have 4 minutes left now. VSC for Mama sponsor for Abba Betwaso Honum. Ne baby no do some papa tin pa. Okay, my first call our woman so my main call na fi main konko fano. Hello. Hey. Hello, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Yes, I would need to be friend free. Hello. Hello. Obeni o network ni nyanti jina yi kakrama me na me hade. Oh, okay. That's unfortunate. Good morning. Hello, good morning. If I told you about your friend free.
When I don't I'm a cousin, I'm a very good municipal.
Very good municipal, I mean, you.
The question is, NDC, I say, one of the Ghana food piano. If you NDC near what you will have some more workers, I have known. What a platform to say. That's a day.
It's unfortunate. There's a network no hame. Ti ma me fa frefo no si ho. Na fe yam fa birthdays no ntwem na yen si form yebra so anesa. Network no so nim wa enti Ebram na fi ya the birthdays na ma na yes si form wo ho. Okay, so happy, glorious, happy, beautiful, happy birthday to Ohinini Adazua. Yeah, was Sompa FM. Now, one of our flagship program. Yeah, your friend Sompa Nkomo. Ona Utia Gwemu na fi so odi se jumano. Mama, sister, na hofe woman king, my lady. The next Sompa fo nyina ye ka nyina ne se. Nyame mawo enkwa ahoden ewom. Nyame mawo enkwa sika ewom. Nyame mawo enkwa nimdie ewom. Nyame mawo enkwa nyansa ne adwene ewom. Nyame mawo enkwa eye impactful on others. We have a lot to tell you. But for today, all we can say is that in our heart, we cherish you. And so happy birthday to you. Live well before you leave. Yantuaso, now the happy birthday and so enkomao. Mame Achima Mansa of Ade Market. Way through Maho, especially Biba Kachiri. Actually, is it but I don't think I can read all. But let me read few. Sebeya Obehu. Obana say, young country will say, and ne, one more edi wa wada pa. ɛnyɛ sɛ woyɛ ɔbaa pa nko nti na yɛdi wa woda pai na mmom w'ahoɔden wo nyansa ɔdɔ a woda na di de kyerɛ wo mma na ɛnɛ wo ma duru biayɛ ne mpɛmpɛnso a wo ma duru na wɔbɔ abrabɔ pa no ɛno na ɛyɛ ɔmo ani sɔ na ɛyɛ ɔmo fɛ na ɛno nti wɔn gyina so aka sɛ wobɛnya awoda a ɛfɛ na afe a ɛda w'anim ne mfie foforɔ a wawura mu no onyankopɔn adom no ɛnɔɔso wɔ wo so ɔnhyira wo bebree na ɔnkae wo daadaa nyinaa emu afei nso wɔn ka sɛ efiri wo ma yawboakye asmak kaakyere obi caleb nana yaw nana kesiwa jennifer ne gifti hɔ ne wo nuanom nyinaa mama wa produce mama happy birthday nyame nhyia no ɔnyɛ wo kɛse nyame ma ɔsɛwie yi nkɔsoa ntoa so na ɔma afe foforɔ yi ɛnyɛ afe a bɛyɛ anigye bɛyɛ dansidie because wɔredi ɛma a wɔn the effect ne impact at the break community. Happy birthday to you, Mama Anchua Mansa. Happy birthday also goes to Dr. Nana Tano Kaba, the second chief of Enchi Kwawu. May you reign forever. May you reign forever, my king from Ohenenana. Etinana, happy birthday. Oma wakunya no ne wahini no nkoswa nyefe ne nhyɛ ni monyam. A very happiest birthday to no better for wa bamfo, no better for wa bamfo. May your day be filled with joy, wisdom, understanding, and the years ahead with success from your mom, Obaya Kunadu, and uncle Obed of Sompa FM. Okay. And happy birthday also goes to Gifty Ajay from your friend No Better for wa Bamfo. Okay. And happy birthday also goes to you, Madam Paulina Boatima, from your children, Boanya Akutokufo, Ima Sam B and Pius. God richly bless you. And then again, happy birthday, blissful birthday to Honorable Eric Opoku, aka Better Skill King Solomon, Asunafo South Constituency MP, and also Minister of Food and Agriculture. Baba, I mean, sure, I know, I mean, Koswa Maunim, dear, and Tiasium Hulumu, Niokudru home. I mean, Trewashimu, I mean, my anyone among two, so happy birthday, Honorable Eric Opoku. And happy birthday also goes to you, Wayfree Father Prophet Nigel Gezi, PNG. In your light, many have found directions. May God grant you prophetic insight and supernatural discernment for the days ahead. Remember that I love you as Father from your son, Pastor Bismarck. And so, Eddie, I don't know. And happy birthday to you, Joy C. Happy birthday goes to you, Joy C. Fine lady. Nyame nkoswa nyo kesi wa no nti anymore ensure why. Nyame ma the whole page na embrem. Me sure na minim pause say we are fan of Range Rover. Obed beda bi mu wate. Joy C. Was Nyane me for happy birthday goes to you. Hold on. And happy birthday wishes goes to Miss Nina Nti. We accountant at Lofty Pace Setters School. Atimatim from Nana. Happy birthday. Live well. On that note, thank you very much for being a part of the show by way of ear, voice, and SMS. The show was directed by Nanaya Films, Barbara. And what's Nana Kwame Usun Kontebisa and Obed Ade Akye Facebook near Homantin Tino. So with the help of Rabia 2. My name has always been Kwame Agyarko. If you think life is a party, your primary value will be having fun. Live well.